So that is a new bike with my endurance style tyres. Oh, key. I gotta remember it's not keyless. Bit of a right, let's get out of here. And you step onto this bike. That's one way to do it. Ah, I'm flat-footed. Cool. Jesus, it's hot. Wow, that clutch so much better than the other one I tested. I will have to learn all the modes now, won't I? Whether I'll live with those these tyres, I might have made a mistake with the tyres, but hell, you only live once, don't you? You've got to learn these things. Visor down so I don't get speared through the head by hedge cutting. Yeah, turning's a bit weird with these tyres. I'm sure I'll get used to it over time. Oh, bugger. They've got the gate working. Right, so, heading back to work. See what all these dials do. Nothing so far. Must be different buttons that I'm info, date, 28th of the 6th, that's right. External temperature, 25.5. Engine temperature, 74. Miles per gallon, 58. That's consumption 2. Speed average 27.7. And the rear tyre is, I don't know, is that rear? One of the tyres is 2.5, the other one's 2.8, but I don't know which way round it is. Now, so that's that. Now you got trip here. Oh yeah, it's on trip to range. I've got a range of 73 miles. Apparently I can adjust this one like that. Oh yeah, I can go for a sporty mode. There we go. So I'm going to get more wind blast now. Cool. Cool. So we've worked that bit out. Oh, then you got mode here. Dynamic, Enduro, Enduro Pro, Rain. So now I'm in rain mode. God knows what that. Rain, road, dynamic, Enduro, rain, road. So we've got those modes. I don't know what the twisty thing does. It's got heated grips, cruise control, apparently Another point that I might have made a mistake with the tyres is clearly I'm not an off-road rider. And I thought it would be a good idea. But apparently the recommended maximum speed for these type of tyres is 100 kilometers an hour. Which is about 70 miles an hour. Which is slow. It's got the fittings for the nav 5/6 already fitted here, so I will probably get that second hand at some point, because that will give me more information as to what the bike is doing. And I like that idea. Wow! Someone, first biker I've come across, and they've nodded. Now that might not be the case for everyone, but I never got nodded with the Harley. And I am not going to start dissing the Harley. I loved the Harley. Don't you dare! Oh, I've got side panniers on it, and they're brilliant. They're only plastic, but they are so easy to take on and off. And the other amazing fact that I didn't even know they had is they're called the Vario boxes, and you can pull a lever and they get wider. Ingenious. See, I would have thought ABS, see, they're not, that button is, oh, hard, ESSA hard, soft, normal, hard. What's that do then? Hard, soft. I don't know. That one doesn't seem to be doing anything. Soft, normal, leave it on normal. So yeah, all good, except, as I said, how hot it is. Oh, look at that. See? Balance. Now all I got to do is learn to wheelie and learn to off-road. But I am on an off-road course next week. Not on one of these, on a full-on yeah, what's that? That's just one of those stupid little cigarette lighter type things, so I'm gonna have to buy one of them now. What was I going to say? Oh yeah, I'm doing real enduro in Wales next week, but that will help me. That's a whole day. Oh god, I'm going to be so knackered after that. I'm going to ache for days. But anyway, that will put me in good stead to be able to feel confident in maybe taking this one off-road. See, at speed these tyres are absolutely no problem at all. At slow speeds, they're a different ball game. But I'll get used to it. I'm not moaning. Well, I am moaning, but I'm not moaning. I'm being constructive with my musings. I am trying to portray my thoughts on my new purchase. And I'd like others potentially to learn from my mistakes. So remember, my mistakes are denim paint and potentially strange tyre choice. But you know, these things are all I got to do now is get the sports bike, the GSX-R 750, back on the road. Tell you what, I'm going to have to play around with this seat because it's tilting me forward. And I understand that the seat is adjustable, but it is definitely, it's got a strange angle on it. And the last thing you want is a strange angle.